There everyone, welcome back to the Indus Trader YouTube channel. In this video we're going to discuss about pre-market analysis. And if you see, yesterday our market closed on a positive note, and Nifty almost 0.66% and Bank Nifty 1.03% and Sensex 0.69%. And one more thing we need to observe here is, if you watch the India VIX, if you watch the India VIX, you can clearly see almost it corrected -5% in the yesterday itself. And coming to, is this positivity we got from global markets? No. If you watch the global markets yesterday, like they almost closing in mild negatives to neutral. But despite of all these things, our market opened positive and it's continuously rallied throughout the day in a positive note. So this is something shows strength in our market. There are also reasons for this. It might be FIIs or DIIs showing interest on this. There are also important factors which we are going to see in the coming videos, so I request you to watch the entire video. So now coming to, let's see the global markets. If you see the global markets overnight, Nasdaq closed again negative. And this particular week, if we talk about this particular week of Nasdaq, it's almost near to 3.3% down, and which shows this week they're going to close on negative note if they are not recovering today. And coming to Nasdaq futures, it's mild positive, but if you see major index closed negative, so even we consider it as a negative, we consider this higher value. And coming to Dow Jones is 0.03% positive. Again we consider this as also neutral. And despite of this neutral, and even if you see Asian markets also trading at neutral as now, just before recording video I have gone through. And the one more important thing we need to check is US 10-year bond yield. You can see after the Fed speech recently, that is day before yesterday, and after that we have seen a small recovery. It's almost as near to 4.05, and thereafter it is now settling at 3.998. Again this is also a concern, but still despite of even this our market rallied, so that shows the strength of present our market. And yes, we're going to discuss everything, so stay tuned. So now let's go back to global markets. And if you see, so let's also see our FII DIIs data. And if you see FIIs DIIs, there is a mixed data yesterday. FIIs carried bullish positions, net positions in the futures, and remaining it is showing as a bearish. And DIIs, as you know, we consider only index future, so it's bearish. And pros data is mixed and retailers data is also mixed. But something which I personally observed, and this is like a hack, okay, you can use it. See, whenever the positions of FIIs are increasing, okay, if you see on 60 here 69%, and here somewhere it is not getting data, but still okay, but thereafter 68% and 65%. See, whenever they are increasing their positions and suddenly they are decreasing their positions, it's like same sort of retracement. If they are decreasing little bit of their position, and again it shows the strength, from there on again they increase the position. This is something, again 65 to, if they are coming back to 60s, and then again going back to 65, this is the scenario we usually see. So still here on we are not seeing anything negative. And coming to in cash, if you see in the cash, it's almost till the month, let's not consider the month, but still if you see almost 1513 1513 on 4th Jan. And if you see the DAS sold 1387. There are also a lot of block deals happening, so we need to also track that data as well. If you are okay to see the lengthy video, so I would also include that as well. So now let's go back to our markets. Yes guys, now let's see the charts. Okay, now if you see this particular swing, we have got a bull trap, and thereafter we have seen a very good correction, and now it is trying to move back to the all-time high again. And for this, let's go to the lower time frame so that we can understand it's much better. So if you see recently we got rally from this area, and again we are taking the support at this area. And even if you consider in hourly time frame, still it is almost near to fail this lower high and lower low. In 1 hour time frame, you can see it is almost closed at this swing, this particular swing high. So now let's assume today if it is opening gap up and sustaining, then obviously this swing gets failed, and almost we will reach near to again all time high. So there is some important levels you need to watch out. Here is 21,801, which is the failed or like trapped level previously. You can see after a positive candle we got a trap at this level, that is bull trap, and again there is probability of reaching this level. And for reaching this level we need to hold 21,505. If it is moving back to 21,500, or it is we are getting a mild correction here and thereafter moving, it is completely fine. Until and unless this zone is holding, we no need to get panic uh, for the shorts. Okay, it's like this level can hold to make sure Nifty reach all time high again. But this is one zone you need to be cautious. Let's say market opened huge gap up above this zone, then it's completely fine. Or else like if it is opening in this zone and again it is spending time, then we need to be cautious because this is a minor supply zone. So hopefully if we talk about the level 21,711 and 21,756, these are the levels. Now let's go back to bank nifty, and if we talk about bank nifty, the same thing. If you see, this is the high, and we got a bull trap here, and again it is coming back to these areas. So this area has some significant importance. The reason, if you see, almost this is at the golden ratio, Fibonacci golden ratio, we got the retracement. And even if you observe these candles, you can see we got a little bit of buying tail on the bottom, and thereafter we got very good candle, very good close, almost near to 1%, and which is near to this zone. So what my expectation is, in the opening itself it will reach this area where we recently got a bull trap. So we need to observe this 48,300 to 48,350 range, whether this is holding or not. If that is holding, then obviously that's an opportunity, again it moves towards the all-time high. Or else we need to wait. And yes, remaining all I update everything in the Telegram channel. So this is our Telegram channel. If you have not yet joined, so make sure you join in the Telegram channel, because you can see we update this sort of levels. And yes, in the day type we usually update what's day it's gonna to be, and what should be the trading plan. And again you get all the updates in this Telegram channel. So make sure you don't forget to join in that Telegram channel. So simply you can search the Indus Trader, or your link is in the description, you can directly join from there. So this is the trade plan as of now, and remaining, as I said, I will update in the. And one more thing, the one level which I forgot to mention is somewhere near to this area where we have seen some consolidations. This area can also act as a support for if we get correction, then you can watch out this area. And coming to this area value 47,909 and 48,020, this is the area again we look for some support. So as of now that's it, and see you in the Telegram channel with the live updates. And still I am seeing markets as positive at this level despite of all the negativity. And even the major markets like US markets are closing on weekly basis almost this Nasdaq is closing 3% down, but still we are looking our markets as positive. And yes, we definitely we have some uncertainties in 2024, like the general elections and a lot of other factors. So we will also make a dedicated video on that. By this Sunday we will get that video. So see you all in the Telegram channel. Until then, this is Krishna signing off. Jai Hind.